received some one-time dollars from our state, and we were very committed in trying to make an impact with those dollars. And so it's really a way to move our system forward in a new trajectory in a pretty rapid way.
We work on reading music, but we also work on playing music. We work on creating music. We work on listening to music. And in our performances, it brings all of those things together.
We are looking at taking it to the next level. And what's gonna make them feel more inclusive is to have the things they need, the things that everyone else has, level that playing field, right?
So the project we're working on is around collaborative performances between the disciplines in music. We're doing instrumental and choir performances in a combined setting.
I know for choir students in particular, a lot of them are in choir because they can't afford to rent instruments or to buy instruments, right? But they still want to have music in their lives, right? When we have to buy a new instrument, we have to crowdfund and source out, and those instruments can get really costly.
I visualize bringing a lot of joy to the kids involved, giving them an outlet for the creativity and their emotional expression. It allows the students a chance to synthesize kind of all the sort of facets of their learning, from being creative to being self-directed, part of a team, and pull their own weight and kind of put things together. So it's really all about synthesizing everything we work on in all disciplines here at school.
We know that the curriculum that comes in a shrink wrap is no longer going to address the needs of our students. And so giving our teachers a baseline of curriculum and then opportunity to innovate is really where we think teaching and learning needs to go.